on your winner take all. Away they go, new chapter, nose west, Speedy Kim, and on the outside, rushing up, step up by Drelis Andorra, Reporter and Yotero. Entering the far turn, new chapter, nose west, is on the outside, Speedy Kim, is racing third by about 4 and step up, and at the far turn, it's now nose west by half a length, new chapter, then on the inside, Speedy Kim, and step up as they race the final corner. Number 2, nose west, this time by Apalang, followed by entry number 1, new chapter by Drell, and on the outside step as Speedy Kim, and nearing the finish line, nose west, this time by about 2 lengths. Step up is on the outside, but nose west winning this race by about 2. Speedy Kim second, step up 7A Reporter, new chapter, Yotero, and